I wanted to share a quick review of this PF candle that I recently purchased on Amazon. I love this brand. I've been using their candles for several years now. They're my favorite, and I'm going to explain why in this video. So this is the number 35 Ojai Lavender candle, the large size. They always come nicely packaged in a cardboard box like this, and I've never had one that's broken, so that's good. And these make really great gifts for people. So we live in California, and this is the Ojai Lavender concentrated soy candle, and I can tell you this really smells like Ojai. Ojai is known for their lavender, and I just love it because it just really brings back the memories of traveling to Ojai. So if you're looking for a really fun way to feel like you're in California no matter where you are, these PF candles are really great. Now, they really pride themselves on formulating maximum scent throw candles. These are poured in California with 100% soy wax, which I really appreciate. These are made with cotton wicks and phthalate-free essential oils, so these are really natural essential oils that you'll be burning with this candle, not a bunch of synthetic fragrance. And this large size burns for 60 to 70 hours. These are great for when you're taking a bath. And I love how they include the ingredients list in the bottom. It says ingredients are soy wax and fine fragrance oil. Well, if you're looking for a really great quality candle for yourself or as a gift for someone else, definitely check out the PF Candle Co. company candles. They have so many different other scents, and I highly recommend this Ojai Lavender. And here's my trick for not getting that black smoke everywhere is you just put the lid on after you've blown out the candle.